Hello, this is a tutorial for installing PythoMS on Windows computer. It should work with Windows 7 and after, so if you have Windows 10 it should be fine. There is also another video on how to install PythoMS on Mac computer, so if you have a MacBook or iMac you can go ahead and check out those videos because it's a little different from installing it on Windows. PythoMS is a collection of scripts to aid in the processing and interpretation of mass spec data. It was created by Dr. Lars Jonker at UVic, University of Victoria, BC. This series are step-by-step videos that it's really great for students or academics who don't have much Python or coding experience but also want to try to automating mass spec data processing. If you are familiar with Python, please go ahead with the instructions. That's in the PythoMS folder, or you can just increase the playback speed. So first you want to go to these three websites, which is GitHub by Lars Jonker. There should be a PythoMS tab, so you just click into that. And next you just click the green button, download zip. So because of time constraint, I have already downloaded the folder. So next you want to go to Python, the website, and you click download, and you want to pick the right package. So if you have Mac OS, then you have to click the Mac OS tab. And here you want to pick the 3.7 version. You want to scroll all the way down, and you want to click the installer. So next you go to PyCharm and just download the software. Community version is free, and this will run the Python script. So now it will be in your download folders. You have these programs. Then next you just want to unzip the PythoMS master folder. You can do this in anywhere that's convenient to you. And I've already extracted earlier. So next you can run a Python. So here you want to make sure you click this button, add Python 3.7 to path, and then click install. The setup process is going to take a little bit of time. So this part of the video was sped up. But next you can just open up PyCharm. Then you can save PyCharm into where you want on your computer. And next you want to check open folder as project, and also want to check the Py box, and one more, that is add launcher to path. I found this to be quite useful. So once it's done, you want to restart a computer, so click reboot. Okay, so now we can open up PyCharm. So here I click do not import setting, and OK. Okay, then here you get to choose the skin of PyCharm, so you can choose dark or white background. And next you can just skip features and let it install. And then you want to open PythoMS folder that we downloaded earlier. want to open up the whole folder. And just click OK. And now you can open up the Python master folder, and you see a list of scripts. And then next you can just select terminal in the bottom left of the window. And here you can just enter python setup.py space install. And then wait for setup to complete. This will probably take a few minutes. And you can see that there's like a bar at the bottom right corner tell you the process. Okay, and to ensure everything is installed properly, you want to click the Python console window, and then type import PythoMS, and then enter. And there shouldn't be any errors pop up. Here I type in twice. But yeah, there's no errors. And now there's also one more package that you want to make sure that it's installed, and that you can go to File and open Setting. And here you have Project PythoMS tab. And here you want to go to the interpreter and click the plus button and type OpenPyX, OpenPyXL. So this is one of the packages that will help in running the script. But it appears blue over here, so it means it's installed from before. But if it's not, just make sure you click the install button and then click OK. And one last thing you want to make sure it's imported, that is, you want to type in the console window, you can type import numpy, N-U-M-P-Y, and if there's no any errors, then it should be fine. It means that your PythoMS, it's ready to run. There will be more videos on how to run some of these scripts. If you're interested, please go check that out, and thank you for watching.